Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you delete your Instagram search suggestions or basically your search history, then you came to the right place. Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method. If that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end to make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Before we start, we get something out of the way first. To make sure everything works properly, go to Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Simply search for Instagram right here. Let's go ahead and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in this process, of course. Now from here, quit, and again, now open Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account, and then let's start by tapping the search icon in the bottom right here, and then tap on the search box at the top of the screen right there. You find all of your suggestions right here, as you can see, guys. To delete any right here, it is very simple. You just tap on the X right next to each suggestion, and if you want to delete them all at once, I'll show you how to do that. Maybe you have lots of suggestions and you cannot delete them all by in one click right here. What you need to do is to go to your profile by tapping the profile picture in the bottom right corner, and then from your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner right here. Then head out to your activity. So from your activity right there, scroll down until you find this category close to the bottom. You should go ahead and tap on recent searches. Right here, it should be the third option in this subcategory. And right here, you find all your suggestions. Again, it's basically the same one we have seen before. Now, if you want to delete them all by one click, just tap on clear all at the top right there. Now from here, it is very simple. Just tap on delete or clear all at the top, and they will be permanently deleted. And that is basically how can you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching.